Hello, welcome back to ServiceNow AI Agent Use Case hands-on part 2. I guess you already participate and review my part 1 videos, and this is the continue. We will review how this agent built and walk you through and give the demo. Just to refresh my memory, I am a senior architect and been focused AI since for 2 years ago. Here, basically we're going to review. We did a review use case. We did a demo. Also, we walked through build AI agent. We didn't finished in part one. We're going to look at finalized AI agent for all the tools we added. Then we can configure to use cases and to show you how can we use through the no assist panels. As it refresh your memory, a use case is a user. You can submit the instance, but you don't know any information regarding this instance, configuration item, how to categorize. This will be provide recommendation to you, get your final approval and update the record. In the part one, we did go through multiple tools we add to this agent. The fetch instance detail, return final instance based on input as instance number we given. The second one is for category. We basically based on information we got from input, we will review the instance or the categories belong to instance and then get all the category information for the instance returned to LLM. Uh, then we review the subcategory, pretty same approach like category. We review all the category belong to instance and send the data set to uh, AI model LLM. Then we did all review all of them already, and in part two, we're going to review remaining two we added. One is the configuration item CI is assigned to colors. One is after we get all the information from instance detail, category, subcategory, ACI, then we update the instance. Uh, let's look at how we use update instance. Let's look at this configuration item CI options. Basically, we have three functions defined. One is get know all low of states. And this function will be look at the current CI to see what state he will allow to and not allow to. We can whether or not state in retired or not. Basically we for this AI we check not allow action item is create task if that's true. Then we have function get use CI and how this assigned to user color relate to CIs. We return that CI as well information. Um, then last function is get CI's instant number. And basically we start from this function. You can see we get instant number as um, uh, based on as user input and go through the incident number. We will call the function and to get user instance, get user CI is called this function. This function will verify CI state. And in that case, we can return the CI information to these tools. Uh, Next one is a little bit a long script. I'm not going to review line by line. but I will go to, high level to see, to show you how that works. I will have different script to populate it. You can see, yeah, usually, we start get input, uh, with all the four tools, we get it. You can see the input will send to update JSON format. It's like string format only allow for LLM. That string we call configure, and with JSON string include instance information, category, subcategory, and CIs. And basically, the first one we check, the configure, make sure it's no error happened, and then we start to look at instance based on instance number, input instance number first, and especially pay attention to this one called configure data category. Basically, we go to category files and and uh, you know uh, subcategory. Then we get out from the JSON in the beginning, right? You can see we just call the key called category here, return the category, subcategory, and call configure subcategory and configure.c CMD gotta say you basically we got three value all returned uh, back from different tool you know the value sent to LLM. We get that all information. Uh, then we can basically update instance based on that information. Uh, it also, we also need approval. We recommend all about field by NoSist and get a final approval uses a yes or not. You can see um, this is how overall works for the tool we just added. Okay, I'm going to go demo because eventually I give demo in the last video part one through AI Agent Studio. We are going to configure directly in the record level chat through the assist panel. Okay, let's go back to here. You can see um, we basically define availability and display as true. Now assist panel. This will be allow you to communicate analysis panel in any uh, record level, even a different level, and as it exists here, you can say now assist. Okay, I'm going to show you uh, the one record. I I don't have a category, subcategory, and configuration item. Just submit this caller just submitted this record, and they want to know how we you know communicate check all other values as agent. That's why first thing I'm going to copy some comment I used in the testing. Okay, that will be save the time. I'm just please configure, categorize, and find the configuration item set for this instance. The one I'm just save typing and come back. You can see I'm going to open the assist and okay, let's see it's finished or not. Let me refresh. Oh, no. Give me a second. I'll go back to my instance. Let me see. I go to here and the 100. Let me refresh. Okay, I hope no assist is populated. Yeah, going to open no assist. And I'm going to type the question. You basically ask the question, please uh, categorize and find configuration item for this instance record. You can see, you can do the comparison, as agent, it's the submit. And they will say, okay, here we found. And you have the category instance. And do you want to do that? You say yes. Yeah, basically, now sys communicate through orchestrator to with AI agent and find out the information regarding this instance. As we talked about, basically, we right this use case we focus on category, subcategory, and configuration item, but also we can extend this AI agent to other field like state, impact, urgency, whatever field. That's why I call this called instance management util AI agent it is extendable, not just for one AI agent. When you build an AI agent design, that's always important to consider. Um, how do you design your AI agent, not just for one use cases, can be reusable. You can say you try to synchronize the information, uh, but you can say, oh, I got all information. So, category would be software, subcategory will be operation system, and the CI will be related to MacBook AI, and then this they will ask you what's that is. Do you like this response or not? You have two options. One is yes, one is no. I'm going to click yes, just for testing purpose. I'm going to click yes, and you can see um, the data is going to update this record. You can see three record be updated. Uh, but the one more important thing is, since this is testing, uh, you relate to anything related to CI is very important. To make sure you have healthy CI ready to do that. Sometimes the data may come to different output as expect. Make sure you have the data is accurate to populate. Um, okay, from this example, you can see how AI agent can really communicate with you together. Um, then we do pretty complex. We use the script as to retrieve the information, fit into uh, and ServiceNow AI model, and communicate real time through the Now Assist. Um, in in future, I'm going to extend to other tools. I come to AI agent. You know, we're going to not just focus on script. We do going to talk about how we add flow actions, skill, and search retrieval, and all these different options. But eventually you got to remember the tool is try to get data you collect and fit into LLM and perform analyzed in the works for you. Um, I think that will be today's demo for this AI agent. Thank you for participate, at least in my videos. I'm going to see, how can I post the script into attach the video. I think it's a good idea. Just hands-on yourself, experience yourself. If you like this channel, go ahead to subscribe this channel. Any AI related demo coming, and you will be automatically notified. Thank you very much, and that's the end of today.